Don't miss out on your next unforgettable live experience because of upfront costs. Learn how to use Affirm on SeatGeek. First, open the SeatGeek app or visit their website and browse for the event you want to attend, just like you normally would. Once you've found your perfect tickets, proceed to the checkout page. At the payment method selection, look for the Affirm option. Selecting Affirm will initiate a quick and easy application process right within the SeatGeek checkout flow. You'll be asked for a few basic pieces of information to determine your eligibility. This usually includes your name, phone number, email, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Rest assured, this is a soft credit check and won't impact your credit score. Affirm will then present you with several loan options, typically with different repayment terms and interest rates, allowing you to choose what best fits your budget. Be sure to review these terms carefully, understanding the total cost of the loan before making your selection. Once you've chosen your desired plan, simply confirm your loan, and your SeatGeek purchase will be completed. You're now on your way to enjoying your event. To manage your payments, download the Affirm app here. You can easily view your payment schedule, make upcoming payments, or even set up autopay for convenient budgeting. And that's it. Using Affirm on SeatGeek gives you the flexibility to enjoy your favorite events without paying for tickets all at once.